Good day everyone. Today I will discuss about empowering service personnel to deliver quality service. First, motivation and empowerment. Motivation and empowerment are very important in any organization, especially in hospitality, tourism, and leisure industry. So, ang motivation o empowerment kay connected gid sa leadership ug service quality. If employees are motivated, mas maayo ilang performance ug mas satisfied ang customers. And in service industry, dili pareha sa manufacturing nga naay physical product. Services are intangible and perishable, meaning dili niyo ma-store or ma-check daan. Mao nga ang employee mismo ang nag-represent sa organization. Sila ang frontliner nga directly makig-interact sa customer. And next is this is called moment of truth, kung asa ang interaction sa employee o customer sa maka-affect sa overall experience. Mao nga kinahanglan ang employees kay well trained, prepared og na enough reason to or motivation to perform their job. So next, let's talk about empowerment. Empowerment means giving employees the freedom and authority to make decisions. Kung ang empowered ang employee, mas dali nila ma-solve ang problem o mahatag ang sakto nga service sa customer. Na makakuan pod ni og sa job satisfaction o confidence sa workers. And sa hospitality industry, importante kayo ang role sa employees because they deliver services like food, rooms, and transportation. Dili na pwede i-check before delivery. So, the quality depends on how employees perform their task. And managers should trust their employees and give them support. Dili lang kay mag-control, but tabangan sila mahimong independent og responsible through motivation and empowerment. Employees can perform at or above expectation. Yes. Next. And lastly, motivation comes from the word mover, which means to move. It pushes employees to act and achieve goals. There are three important parts of motivation. First is what energizes behavior. Second, what directs behavior. Third, how behavior is maintained. So kung motivated o empowered ang employees, mas maayo ang service quality o mas happy ang customer o mas satisfied. And this three focus on what motivates people. Focus ani kay unsa gyud ang needs sa tao nga maka-drive sa ilang behavior. The most popular tiers are Maslow and Herbert. So, Maslow explains that people have different level of needs. According to him, kinahanglan ma-satisfy una ang lower needs before mo motivate ang higher needs. So, step by step yun ang motivation sa tao. And first is basic needs. There are the basic needs like there are the basic needs like food, water, and rest. Kini ang pinaka foundation sa tanang needs. And organization should provide proper working conditions, breaks and basic support para ma-meet ni nga needs. And next is safety needs. Safety needs like job security and safe workplace. Importante nga ang employee kay feel safe o protected. So companies should provide safety programs and policies para malikayan ang harm. Next is social needs. Include friendship and interaction and ang tao dili pwede mag-inusara, kinahanglan gyud og connection. Organizations can help by promoting teamwork, bonding activities, and gatherings. So, next is esteem needs. Esteem needs are about respect and recognitions. Gusto sa employee nga ma-appreciate ilang work, companies should give rewards, recognition, and training para ma-boost ilang confidence. Last slide na ito. So, next is self-actualization. This is the highest level, which is reaching one's full potential during a level. Ang tao gusto mo grow og ma-achieve ang best version sa ilang self. Organizations should provide opportunities for growth and development. And that's all. Thank you.